Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be going over the topic of bloating and how you can fix it. First is try to limit the foods that cause bloating. Now many people experience bloating after eating certain foods that contain high amounts of non-digestible or poorly digestible compounds. These compounds include insoluble and soluble fiber, sugar alcohols, and sugar raffinose and fructose. When you eat foods containing these compounds, the undigested fiber and sugars end up in your large intestine where bacteria ferment, leading to increased gas. I put some example foods that could cause bloating: broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, prunes, apples, pears, peaches. Now you may notice that these are some high fiber foods that I actually recommend, and that still stands. However, some of these foods can cause specific instances of bloating in people. So what I recommend is maybe trying one of them at a time, seeing which ones cause you problems and which ones don't, and then just cut out the ones that cause you problems. Now it isn't just high fiber foods, it can be many other things, so just guess and test to see which ones cause you the problems. Next is lactose. Now you want to check to make sure you're not lactose intolerant, or you don't have lactose intolerance. So lactose is a sugar found in milk, and your body needs an enzyme called lactase to break down the lactose. However, most people don't actually produce enough of this enzyme to break down the lactose once they reach adulthood, and the resulting condition is called lactose intolerance. The condition causes lactose to pass through your gut, pulling in more water until it reaches your colon, where it's fermented by bacteria and releases gas. This is where you get the symptoms such as bloating, stomach pain, and other problems associated. So if you suspect you may have lactose intolerance, try temporarily cutting out dairy to see if it helps. You don't have to do this permanently, but if you find it does help, then what you can do is then use lactose-free products, which will not give you any of the associated problems with lactose, but you can still enjoy dairy products. And finally, you can try taking a probiotic and a digestive supplement. So supplements are great because they can specifically target the issues at hand. And I am showing you a photo of a specific supplement that I personally use. It's called Sinogut. It is a digestive supplement that restores the gut lining and grows the good bacteria for proper digestion. Now I personally use this supplement, and I'll show you the nutrition facts right here. So it is 100% vegan and plant-based materials that are all grown in the United States. It's FDA approved, and it's designed for a 30-day treatment period to heal your digestion and any other digestive issues you have, which includes bloating and constipation and others. So it's designed for 30 days. And they do offer a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it for 30 days, and if it doesn't work, you get your full money back. Now, I personally use this problem, and it fixed the bloating and constipation issues I was having, so I'll leave a link to it in the description. And with that being said, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you next time.